Hey everyone, it's the Honest Review Hub. You know how much I love TikTok? Seriously, I spend way too much time scrolling through my FYP. And lately, I've been seeing so many cool products from Amazon. Like seriously, everything is TikTok made me buy it. So, I decided to pick out 5 of the most viral Amazon finds and put them to the test. Are they really worth the hype, or are they just a big waste of money? Let's find out. As usual, links to all these products will be in the description below. Okay, first up we've got LED strip lights. You know the ones, they make your room look like a whole vibe. I got mine in a super cute rainbow color, and I'm honestly so excited to put these up in my room. The reviews looked amazing, everyone saying how they totally transformed their space. They were super easy to put up, they come with this adhesive backing and you just stick them around your room. Let's turn them on and OMG. They look even better than I imagined. They add such a cool, colorful glow to my room. Definitely a vibe. Next up is the Revlon One-Step Hairdryer and Volumizer, a tool that's been making waves in the beauty community. This thing is everywhere on TikTok. It's like you can't scroll for more than a minute without seeing someone rave about it. Everyone's saying it gives you the smoothest, most voluminous blowouts at home, without having to juggle a million brushes and a hairdryer. It's supposed to be a game changer for at-home styling. My arms are already tired just thinking about it. Imagine not having to switch between tools constantly. So, let's see if it lives up to the hype. I'm genuinely curious if it can deliver on all these promises. I've washed and conditioned my hair, and I'm just gonna section it off like they do in the videos. Here goes nothing. This is the moment of truth. Wow, okay, this is actually really easy to use. It's surprisingly lightweight and fits comfortably in my hand. The brush glides through my hair, and it's drying it so much faster than my usual hairdryer. I can't believe how efficient this is. And look at this volume. I'm shook. My hair has never looked this full and bouncy from a home blowout. My hair looks like I just stepped out of the salon. It's got that professional finish that I usually only get from a stylist. Chapter 3. Welcome back everyone. Okay, now for the product I've been most excited about, the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste. This little tub of magic has been all over TikTok, and I just had to see what the hype was about. This stuff is supposed to clean literally anything. Sinks, stoves, sneakers, you name it. It's like a miracle worker in a jar. People are using it on everything, and it seems like magic. The before and after shots are just mind-blowing. I even saw someone use it to clean their grout, and it looked brand new. Like, who knew grout could look that clean? I've got some stubborn stains in my kitchen that I've been meaning to tackle, so I'm ready to put the pink stuff to the test. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of the paste to my trusty cleaning cloth and start scrubbing. Oh, my God, this is incredible. The stains are literally disappearing before my eyes. This is insane, I can't believe how effective this stuff is. It even smells kinda good, like fresh cleaning products, not harsh at all. It's a win-win! Chapter 4. Now it's time for something fun, the Dash Mini Waffle Maker. This compact kitchen gadget is perfect for anyone who loves quick and easy meals. This little guy is adorable, and I love that it comes in so many different colors. From bright red to cool teal, there's a shade for everyone. I got mine in pastel pink, obviously. It adds a cute pop of color to my kitchen. People on TikTok are making everything in these waffles, paninis, even little pizzas. The possibilities are endless with this versatile tool. I'm gonna try making some mini waffles with mine because who doesn't love a good waffle? Plus, it's so easy to use. I mixed up some batter and poured it into the preheated waffle maker. It cooks so quickly. In just a few minutes you have a delicious treat, and look at how cute and perfectly formed these mini waffles are. They're almost too pretty to eat. I added some fresh berries and a drizzle of syrup, and they taste even better than they look. It's a delightful breakfast or snack that anyone can enjoy. Chapter 5. Last but not least, we have the portable blender. As someone who's always on the go, I'm super curious to see if this little blender can actually make a decent smoothie. It's small enough to fit in my backpack, which is a huge plus. I prepped my smoothie ingredients, spinach, banana, almond milk, and some protein powder, and popped them into the blender. Time to blend. It's a little loud, but it blends everything up super quickly and smoothly. And the best part? No chunks. I hate it when blenders leave chunks in your smoothie. This one is a winner. So there you have it guys, my honest review of 5 viral TikTok Amazon products. Overall, I was super impressed. I think most of these products definitely live up to the hype. The LED lights, Revlon One Step, the pink stuff, and the portable blender are all going into my regular rotation. The Dash Mini waffle maker is super cute, but I don't know how often I'll actually use it. Have you guys tried any of these viral Amazon products? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.